Hey everyone, I'm excited to introduce and share key features of my motorcycle lift design. First off, this is a lift you can build yourself with minimal tools and readily available materials. The lift pictured costs around $350 to build, including the price of the plans and the fact that we paid $9 per 2x4. You can expect your build to cost between $325 and $425 in these market conditions. The estimated build time is 15 to 20 hours, depending on your skill level. The lifting and clamping jacks use jack screws that are inherently self-locking. As a result, you never have to worry about the lift collapsing or the tire clamp releasing unexpectedly. There are two lifting jack options. First, a 24-inch jack capable of a 27-inch lift height and a load capacity of around 520 pounds. Second, a 30-inch jack that yields a 33-inch lift height and a load capacity of around 470 pounds. It takes about 30 seconds to raise the lift 33 inches. All you need to operate the lift is a cordless drill in the 18-volt class, a 3/4 inch socket, and a 24-inch socket extension. You don't need any air or electricity, and you won't have any cords to trip over. All of the pivoting and sliding points utilize oversized bolts and high-load, low-friction bushings to ensure rigidity, low maintenance, and maximum durability. The lift top is completely replaceable if you wear it out or damage it along the way. You can even opt to install a laminate sheet over the top for added durability and easy cleanup. Inclusive in the plans and materials list is a ramp that you can build to easily roll your bike up onto the lift. The lift is designed so that you can store it on end or on its side. The tire clamp can easily be removed to conserve more space. Retractable wheels can also be added so that the lift can be mobile. I designed the plans so that you can work as efficiently as possible. You start by cutting out all the parts and adding essential features. Then you proceed on to assemble the various components, so you're not going back and forth, cutting and drilling and wasting a whole bunch of time. I'm a thorough guy by default, so naturally the plans are super detailed. To kick things off, you get a complete bill of materials and tools list with direct links to key things you'll need for your build. The bill of material is accurate down to the exact number of screws you should use. Next, the plans consist of 43 technical drawings, not because the lift is hard to build, but because I wanted to clearly break out all the steps and highlight the critical parts. Alongside the drawings, I include 28 pages of instructions that feature high-quality pictures so you know exactly what you're looking at. Finally, to round out your build experience, I included an 11-minute high-definition time-lapse build video that shows you precisely how I built our lifts. To purchase the plans and get started building, follow the link in the description.